Hey guys, hello, how are you? Okay, let's talk about Lincoln Penny, 1988D. First, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty, 1988D. At the back of the coin, United States of America. E pluribus unum, 1 cent. FG, the designer's initial, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay? Now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1988D Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition, 1988D. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 1988 D penny ever sold at auction was graded by Professional Coin Grading Service as MS68RD and fetched $1,495 in 2007. Okay, $1,495. Wow, for 1988 D penny graded MS68 by Professional Coin Grading Service. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.